Hello folks, another sunny day in Glasgow, in the middle of Glasgow, so I'm Sam and the West End Botanic Gardens, and I'd love to tell you about this place because it's pure brilliant green space in Glasgow. Would you believe that Glasgow has 90 plus parks and green spaces? So it's the one green space, one of hundreds, one of many in Glasgow. So Botanic Gardens. Botanic Gardens, it's a green space in Glasgow's West End, situated in Kelvinsdale, part of West End. It's a part called Kelvinsdale. And then it was established in 1880, the 1890s. And let me tell you about this pretty brilliant place. So this kind of Kibbutz Palace, just in behind, right in front of me, was once a conservatorium at Loch Long in 1873. Sorry, it was a conservatorium at Loch Long. Some of the Highlands moved here to Kevinsdale, West End part of Glasgow, to here in Botanic Gardens in 1873. It was designed by famous botanist at University of Glasgow, so it's full of ferns, I should say. That building right behind me, it's Botanic Gardens. It was once situated at west end of Sokeholchi in 1817. Then moved here to Botanic Gardens in 1842. So it's a Botanic Gardens full of flowers, plants, others, ferns as well. What else? Behind those trees, it's Glasgow's Central Line. It was, Glasgow Central Line. Central Station, just opened in 1894. Unfortunately, burned down around 1970-71. So behind those trees, you can find Glasgow's forgotten Central Line, which was once here. Even it was a station, Botanic Gardens, for trains and the trams. Right behind me, behind those trees, is Oranmere. Oranmere was once a church built in 1863. Nu is just a restaurant bezig aan de klaar te koop voor dansen. So that's enough for now, folks. I'll be back filming Great Western Road, so just doing the road, the Botanic Gardens. So see you soon, we will.